Okay guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to earn money by just sharing a link or by completing these little tasks on this site. So this site that we're using is called We Are Indie or just Indie. It says earn $1,000 in cash each month, get $70 cash for every friend who subscribes to Indie Pro. Have 100 friends who sign up, that's $7,000 in your pocket. All you have to do is register, share, and earn. So let's look down the website before we get to the sign up process. So how it works: get up to $70 for every friend who signs up for Indie Pro from your referrals. Sign in and click get $70 cash. Share your link and rake in that money for every friend who gets Indie Pro. Cash out starts at $25 and earn an additional $5 every month they stay subscribed. Watch the money roll in and celebrate. So they have a referral kit that you can download that has high-res images for Indie specifically, and I guess you can join this program for free, or you can get Indie Pro. And Indie Pro is the thing that they want other people to subscribe to in order for you to get that extra $70 per person. So let's go straight to, I already signed up, but all you have to do is either sign up with Google or sign up with an email and a password. So I'm just going to go straight to my account, and I made this like a Jane Doe account. So that's the name that you're going to see because I do not want y'all all in my business. Okay, so we're going to go straight to, we're in the dashboard right now. This shows the invoice income, which is basically the amount of money that you have basically gotten from all your referrals and any affiliate links that have been clicked on your account. So right here you can see your pending items, which is your invoices, files, proposals, and contracts. Here you can easily monitor your unfinished business. Those are the documents that you've sent that haven't been paid, signed, or approved yet. So right here you can create tasks that you have to complete right here, and this is going to show what you have to do today. And then at the bottom you see your recent form responses. So we're going to go straight to Launchpad. This is where you're going to kickstart your business. This is where it's going to teach you how to send your contract, create and send and sign in minutes, and then create an invoice so you can get paid easier and negotiate effectively by drafting a proposal. You can get paid from PayPal or Stripe. Those are those online payments that you have so you can get that money instantly. So let's click on stand out from the crowd. So what you're going to do here is personalize your documents. This is basically how you want your clients to contact you. You're going to have to put your legal first and last name, your business name, and your address. Okay, that's when you continue. And then that's where you put in your business logo. You're going to continue that, and this says that they recommend a logo that's at least 600 pixels tall or wide, JPG, and the PNG. So that's what you're going to put right there, and this is a preview of how your logo will appear on your forms. And the background, kind of like a banner, and underneath you're going to have your full name and which of your many services. So you're going to click save and continue. Let's see what else they have. Alright, style it. You can change the color and the background and the text color of your site, and you can change the font. So right here is how your font will look underneath your little banner for your brand style. So I'll actually make one right now. So let's don't do what I'm doing and don't put a fake name, but I'm doing this for the sake of the video. So let's put Jane Doe, and then we're gonna put, for business name, let's just say communications, and let's just skip because I don't want to put the address. I don't want anything to pop up. So we're gonna put add logo, I guess, and let's just put something that I already created that's currently on my YouTube channel. Okay, we're gonna save and continue, and then let's change the color to, let's say, I like this color. I like lavender. Right, and then we're gonna change the text color to like say a crimson, maybe. Let's go crimson. Alright, now we finished that. We completed that little task, and now let's go to manage your business. So first you have send a contract. This is where they have their templates for your little contracts that you're going to do. They have the NDA, the non-disclosure agreement, your subcontractor agreement, and they have many more contractor project agreements for writers, WordPress develop, wedding videographer, wedding planner, wedding photographer, website designer, website developer, and like so much more, all the way going down to life coaches or graphic designers, ghostwriters, affiliate marketers, all the way down to brand ambassadors, content creators, designer, digital marketing, and like many, many more. So you can either click one of these templates or you can start from scratch. And then you can also have create an invoice, where it's going to take you to this screen, which says, we know you're trying this tool for the first time, and it's going to give you a little walkthrough. So we're just going to go, let's go. You have your build to, you're going to choose your recipient. Okay, then you can choose sample client. That's when you're going to put in your little address, your quantity. You're going to put in the item name, the description, that's optional. You're going to put in the quantity and your rate. You're going to put in your line items as well, and you're going to go next. But that is literally all you need, but there is going to be more for this. You're going to go to over here. You can see where you can see your currency and your available payment methods. This is how you choose how your clients will pay you. And you can choose from Stripe bank transfer to the Stripe credit cards, Zelle, wire transfer, mail check, or PayPal. Let's just go next. And this is where you can save your payment methods as your default. And then you can just click save, and you can review and send. And this is what your overall little screen is gonna, I'm so sorry. Okay. What your screen is gonna look like. Underneath your subtotal, you can request a deposit for the money that you have in your account, add a discount for your services, and you can attach a timesheet. That's for the pro that they want people to buy. So, and you can also have your recipients. So the clients that you already have, if you have their email or their number, you're going to put them under your thing because you know that they're going to be paying for one of your products or one of your services. So that's what your invoice is going to look like. And once you're done with that and you set up your management for your business, that's when you're going to set up your payment method. That's when you're going to put in all your payment information so you can get paid for these the things that you're creating, because people buy contracts and proposals because they can't create them on their own. So a lot of people actually just buy them, and they can be at a small price. And that's just one way that you can earn money from the site, because you can earn money from the products that they're buying, or you can earn money from the affiliate program that they have. $70 cash per person that you refer to this website. So you can, let's go down to people. This is where you manage your work relationships. So everybody that's in your business, that's working on that same website that you have, this is where they'll be, and you can add your contacts, or you can import. It says keep your contacts all together with lightweight CRM capabilities. Each person's contact page automatically organizes all the invoices, files, and other documents that you've shared with them. All right, now down to projects. This is where you organize and keep track of all your projects. This means you manage each project status, tasks, chat messages, and much more. All you need to do is select which project an artifact belongs to, and Indie basically brings it all together. And this is the little example that they have. All your tasks that you have, this is what they have their little thing set up as. You can make your own tasks, or you can automatically have your tasks upload at any time, and all you have to do is click create project. So now let's look at their tools that they have. Let's go to calendar. They have a calendar, and you can just click add new events, and this is where you're gonna basically put whatever event you have going on. Like if you have clients on a certain day, you're gonna put that on here, and you can even connect it to your Google Calendar. So everything that's in your Google Calendar will be connected to here, so none of your dates get intertwined. So let's go to contracts. This is where you create your first contract. You create, send, and sign contracts in minutes. Use their available templates for project agreements, NDAs, and more, or use your own. Sign your contracts using their built-in electronic signature feature. And right here in the corner is where they give you the little task help. Basically, it says follow these steps to get a feel for the contract tool and send yourself a sample. And they have all these little basically helpers that help you create these things if you're not used to it. And here is a little video that shows you exactly how they made it. But from right here, you can easily see how they made their little contract, and they have their signature that they allow you to use. And all you have to do is click create a contract. So now let's look at files. This is where you get approval on your work files. So after you're done creating these contracts, how you even get the money and people buy them is by approving your work files. So securely store and share your files and documents, assign a reviewer on your file to get formal approval, exchange comments with your reviewer and collaborators, upload new versions of a file to keep its progress contained in one place. Right here, you can click new folder and upload a file. So you can have separate mini folders with each different type of document that you create. So you can have one for health. You can have a folder for health that has all your health documents where you're writing and talking about health, or your all different types of your NDA documents in there. Or you can have different types of contracts in another folder, and that's where all your things will be basically separated and more organized. Or you can just upload a single file to there without any folder in there whatsoever. Now let's look at forms. So here it says get the info that you need. With forms, you can easily capture things like new leads, project information, feedback, and surveys. These forms, they allow you to create these different they kind of seem like data collecting things. So you want feedback on these documents that you're creating. You create your survey, you create your forms that basically are given to people so they can go on to basically explaining how they like your product so far. And they have many templates that you can use instead of creating your own one. And right here it even shows a profile contract form that they created for you. That's for free. That's already published and ready to use on your account. So now let's look at invoices. Over here, you're going to see all the invoices that you had, your unpaid, your draft, your all invoices, and your recurring series. So you can add a new invoice, which is basically going to be the incoming productivity of your entire website, your entire platform. Everything all the money that's coming into your account, it's kind of like your personal treasurer of your account. So you can add a new invoice if it's something that's not automatically uploaded to the account. So let's now look at proposals. It says win new clients and projects. So proposals is the tool you need to secure and start projects faster than ever. Create engaging, professional-looking proposals and estimates. Start with a template or build one from scratch. Estimates can automatically convert to an invoice when the proposal is accepted. So this means that all your information, all your proposals that you put in to send your documents for new clients are going to be put in here, and you can build your own template for your proposal, or you can have one of the templates that they have on here that allow you to add text, images, timelines, estimates, and a little signature section. And you can even have your branding options, which is where you put your logo or your branding colors. And you can just easily create that by clicking create a proposal. And now we can look at the tasks. Over here you can add your tasks, and you can just easily click that little dot and it will show that you basically completed your task. You can delete tasks, add tasks, put the due date, project, and add tags to them. And this is going to show you can have it under all tasks today or the next 7 days. You can just keep going. And they have a little board section, which is your to-do list, your in progress, which you're currently doing, and if you're done with things. And it will show if you currently have no project. So now let's go to our last one, which is time tracker. This is to record, report, and get paid for your time. So time tracking with Indie is simple and flexible. You can record your time with a click or input it manually, keep track of what you did, with your time by adding a description. Add time tracks to invoices for easy billing. This means that you can get paid just for recording your time spent on the platform, report the time that you spent on this platform, and then you can get paid for the time. So look, what they show right here is May 15th, 2021, storyboarding. That's what they did. They documented that they did it for 2 hours and 20 minutes, 10 seconds, and they got $430 for that. Logo design drafts, they spent 7 hours and 10 minutes on that, and they got $703 for that. And that's basically, they made $1,103 for a total of 9 hours of work. Just in one day. 9 hours of work, $1,103. Next day, $585. 1 hour and 37 minutes of time spent, and they got $240 for a documentary kickoff meeting. And then for the last one, feedback session, research project, $345 for 3 hours and 30 minutes of just documenting what they do. And that is how you can just easily get money in 3 different ways from this site. From recording what you do on this site, from giving out your link and having people sign up and get that pro, and also creating your platform on this site to bring in clients to their website, Indie. And you can easily do this recording by create a time track or a new manual entry. Okay, so we're just gonna go straight here. So once you complete all of this, you will be well on your way to making money. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.